Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to showcase how to add tax info to your YouTube account. YouTube will begin deducting US taxes from payments to creators as early as June 2021 from creators outside of the US. The move will impact the earnings of the YouTube creators community in India and other countries too. There are more than 1,700 Indian YouTube channels with more than 1 million subscribers as per the latest data. If a creator doesn't submit the tax info by May 31, they may have to pay up to 24% of their total earnings. However, for those that will submit the tax info by May 31, the rate will be 15% of the earnings from the viewers in the US. In a daunting news for the YouTube creators in India and outside US, the search engine giant Google said that it would begin deducting US taxes from payments to creators as early as June 2021 from creators outside of the US. Earnings from viewers in the US through ad views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel membership will be taxable. Google said it would soon be updating its terms of service for creators outside the US, where your earnings from YouTube will be considered royalties from the US tax perspective, adding that they had already made this change to US creators' terms of service in November last year. For submitting your tax information, log into Google Adsense account and click on Payments. You can see Action Required highlighted in red. Click on Manage Tax Info. Then click on Add Tax Info immediately. Pop-up window will open for entering your Google credentials. Enter your login credentials of your Google account. If you are an individual, select Individual and click on Next. If you are not residing in US, select No and click on Next. As non-residents of US, you need to select W-8BEN form and start filling. Enter respective country tax identification number in foreign TIN. If you are Indian, just enter your PAN number and proceed next. Enter your permanent address as well as the postal address. If both are same, select the checkbox below and click on Next. As a non-resident of US, select Yes and select the checkbox below and choose your country name. There are several options showing below. First, select Services Adsense and choose Article 7 and Paragraph 1, and in withholding rate, select 0% reduced rate. Next, select Motion Picture and TV and choose Article 12 and Paragraph 2A2, and in withholding rate, select 15% reduced tax. Then select Other Copyright and choose Article 12, Paragraph 2A2, and in withholding rate, select 15% reduced tax. Don't forget to select all the checkboxes, that is acknowledgements. If you selected all, please click on Next. Click the document and verify if the OK. Select the acknowledgement and click on Next. This is the preview of W-8BEN form. In this page, enter your name and select Yes option and click on Next. Select No and acknowledgement and choose your eligible option below. And once you submitted all the informations, immediately the form will get approved. What is the creators community required to do now? The streaming giant YouTube has asked creators to submit the tax information to AdSense to understand the correct amount of tax deductions. Advertisement. To explain further, the company gave the example that if a creator in India earns $1,000 in revenue from YouTube in a month of the 1,000 in total revenue, the channel generated $100 from US viewers. Then these are the possible withholding scenarios. Creator doesn't submit tax info. Final deduction is $240 because the withholding tax rate, if you don't submit a form, is up to 24% of your total earnings. This means that until Google has your completed tax info, Google will deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide, not just from US earnings. Creators submit tax info and claims a treaty benefit. Final tax deduction is 15. This is because India and the US have the tax treaty relationship that reduces the tax rate to 15% of earnings from the viewers in the US. Creators submit tax info but is not eligible for the tax treaty. For creators falling in this category, the final tax deduction will be 30, as the tax rate without a tax treaty is 30% of earnings from the viewers in the US. Once Google begins withholding taxes, the creators will see the finalized amount withheld in the regular AdSense payment transaction report. Friends, thanks for watching, friends.